as you can see, I plan to come back to Nigeria this December, but I'm receiving a lot of threats. So my life worth more than all these threats and all this harassment. So now I have decided to cancel my tickets. I am no longer coming, so that I will continue exposing JPAC. I have received a lot of threats. Now, the only thing that will make me come back to Nigeria is when you guys send your Interpol. So please, if you come across this video, I would like you to share it. It's quite unfortunate that I am no longer coming. I have cancelled my tickets. I am no longer coming to Nigeria. So all the threats, people that are waiting for me, there is no need of waiting for me. Contribute money, send Interpol to come and bring me back to Nigeria. For now, I have cancelled my coming back to Nigeria. So I am sorry that it's not going to happen anytime soon. I will continue my expose of what JPAC and many names are about to be reviewed. So wait for me for as long as you want to wait for me. The journey continue. I am not coming anytime soon, but I will remain here. See you on my next video. Thank you. My life worth more than all these things, because I don't know where the attack come from. So for those of you that will hire Ogele and they wait for me on the 30th, the ticket has been cancelled. I deliberated it with my husband. I told him my fear. You know, my life comes first. You know, the threats are much, so I need to apply wisdom. Thank you all. Please share on this video for those of you that are waiting to welcome me. I did not disappoint you, just that their threats disappointed all of us. So I'm not going to be coming down anytime soon. We continue the movement of expose on this part of the world, where security is well assured, where people cannot come and threaten you because of the truths and the things you said. Like I said, First Amendment right, annual freedom of speech, and I will continue to speak it. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you for my loyal fans. Thank you for those that have reached out to me, but I'll continue to speak. Thank you. Ciao.